Welcome. Today we are exploring the concept of bimodal distribution. If you have ever looked at a graph and seen not one, but two mountains, you have encountered this fascinating statistical phenomenon. Before we dive in, let's refresh. A distribution simply tells us how often certain values appear in a set of data. Usually, we expect to see a bell curve, also known as a normal distribution. It has a single peak in the center, tapering off on both sides. But sometimes, data behaves differently. The term bimodal comes from two words, bi meaning two and modal referring to the mode or the most frequent value. So, a bimodal distribution is simply one that has two distinct peaks. Here is what it looks like. Instead of one smooth hill, we have two humps separated by a valley. It looks a bit like the back of a camel. Each of these humps represents a local maximum or a point where the data is most concentrated. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a restaurant's customer traffic throughout the day. You rarely see a steady stream. Instead, you get a huge rush at lunchtime, then a quiet period in the afternoon, followed by another huge rush at dinner. This creates two clear peaks on the graph. Another classic example happens in classrooms. Imagine a difficult math test where half the class studied hard and the other half didn't study at all. The prepared students score high and the unprepared ones score low. The result is two separate curves overlapping on the same graph. This brings us to a critical warning. If you calculate the average, or mean, of bimodal data, the number usually lands right in the middle valley. This is dangerous because the average describes a situation that almost nobody actually experienced. It is mathematically correct, but practically misleading. So why do we see these shapes? Usually, a bimodal distribution is a strong hint that you are looking at two different populations mixed together, like mixing weights of small dogs and large horses. To understand the data, you often need to separate these groups. Remember, distributions can come in many shapes. Unimodal has one peak, bimodal has two. And yes, you can even have multimodal distributions with three or more peaks, though these are more complex. To summarize, bimodal means two peaks. It signals hidden groups within your data, and always be careful with averages when your data isn't a single bell curve. Always graph your data first to see the true story.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.